Thank you for buying this 19345 greeting card display from Fixture Displays. You can find this product by searching 19345 on fixturedisplays.com. These are all the components. You have several groups. You have the hanging panel group, upper and lower portion of that. Then you have the pocket group, and then metal base, metal tubes, hubs to hang the panels, and then hardware. There are a fair amount of screws, but if you look at this video, you will figure out it's fairly straightforward to put together. First, we want to pick up the upper and lower portion of the hub, the hanging panels, to connect them. Make sure it's all the way in, and then fasten the two screws. Those are the very short Phillips head screws. Now observe the hooks on the bottom and top. Make sure all four panels have the exact same orientation. Now we're going to fasten the pockets to the hanging panels. Again, make sure your orientation are exactly as shown. Now we have the four panels pre-assembled with the hub, with the pockets. We're ready to work on the major structure. First, we're going to fasten the casters to the metal base. The metal base cross each other. And again, the design allows easy knockdown and save for shipping and therefore reduce your cost. If you travel, you can also take it down and reassemble at a place of your exhibit. So that's a really nice feature. Now we're going to put down a ball bearing and then the lower hub. Make sure the smooth side face down so it has good rotation. Now we're going to put on the upper hub. Make sure the smooth side face up. And then insert the upper tube to the lower tube. At this point, we're going to start on all the four panels. If you have another pair of hands to help, this would be a good time to do that. One person can certainly handle it, but you may, if this is the first time you work on this rack, it may be a little hands full, so do get help if you can. When you hang the other panel, you're going to do it really carefully so you don't scramble the other part. Likewise, repeat the same for the other two panels. Now remember the way the hooks works on the lower hub, and then the upper hub actually push the hook down. So we just inserted the screw to fasten the upper and lower tube. You notice the structure is a little bit shaky, and that's where the zip ties come in. We're going to tie up the two adjacent pockets. They become fairly sturdy at this moment. Definitely very adequate for the purpose of displaying greeting cards. Now we're going to give you some dimensions. Front to back is 18 inches. Left to right is also 18 inches. The overall height is 68.5 inches. Important measurement of the pockets, left to right, inside is 5.3 inches. So make sure that works for your card and envelope if you have envelope. The depth is 1.3 inches, so fit fair amount of cards. The pocket height is 4.7 inches. The distance between two tiers are 5.2 inches. So you can fit as tall as 9.7 inches worth of cards in there. The entire unit weighs about 20 pounds. So it's reasonably lightweight for the amount of cards this rack displays. If you like our product, please consider leave a good review and seller feedback. Thank you for shopping.